Hey everybody, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, and in today's video we want to show you how to put pictures on your Galaxy Watch 6. And so we have our Galaxy Watch 6, and this is the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic because of the rotating bezel. Now if you guys are interested in this, we will leave links for you where you can pick up a Galaxy Watch 6, the Classic, or just the Galaxy Watch 6. And so we want to show you how to put pictures on that today. And the way we're going to do that is by using our phone, which is a Galaxy Flip 5. But first, we want to check to see if there are any pictures on the watch at the moment. So if we were to swipe up, and then we want to scroll down looking for pictures. And so the icon for pictures is the same as it is on the phone here. I'll pull that a little closer in. Is that red icon there? It says gallery, and it's the same on the watch. So if we were to tap on gallery to open it up, we'll see it says pictures, and we have 3 pictures. If we tap on the pictures, we have a cluster of balloons. We have some wheat, looks like, and a picture of a cat peeping over a table there. And so we're going to hit our back button. So like I said, it says pictures. Now, something I noticed that's different about the Galaxy Watch 6 is that they have some categories in the picture section. So just random pictures, you have where it says pictures and it shows you 3. And then if you were to tap in the middle there, it's going to show you albums. And so at the moment we only have 1 album, and that 1 album just says pictures. And so it's kind of like a general category. But if you wanted to add specific albums, you can. And then the third over to the side there is stories, where you can create stories for your watch. So we got to do that later on. And so we're going to go back to pictures here. And again, all we have on the device is 3 pictures. So we're going to set that down, go back to the home screen here. We're going to set that down, and then we're going to grab our Galaxy Flip 5 here. The way we will send those pictures to the watch, we need to go to the Galaxy Wearable app. And so my Galaxy Wearable app is inside my Samsung folder. And so we go to the Galaxy Wearable app, tap on that to open it. Once it's open, we're going to come down to where it says Watch Settings. Tap on Watch Settings. And then we're going to scroll down to where we see Manage Content. Open up Manage Content. And then midway down the screen here, it says Gallery, Add Images. And so we're going to tap Add Images, and it puts us into our picture or our photo album. And so we're going to go with dogs. And we were saying we're going to want to transfer that 1 dog, the second from the left, that's all white. So we're going to highlight that. And then we're going to hit Done. As you can see, it says 1 of 200. So you can send as many as 200 at one time. But anyway, we're going to hit Done. And when we hit Done, you see that status bar. It says 100% as it's transferring that picture, and it says 1 image transferred to watch. So we'll hit that home button and come out of that. Set that there. Now we're going to go back and grab our watch. So swipe up again, and then we're going to go back to our photo section, which is the gallery, right there in red. Tap on that to open it. And now, as you can see, we have 4 pictures. And if we want to look at them closely, we tap on the first one. Of course, it's that cat again. And then if you swipe to the right, then it's the wheat. Swipe again, it's the balloons, and then the balloons, and then swipe again. And then that's the dog that we wanted to send over. So now we have now we have 4 pictures in our gallery. Now if we were to hit the back button, again, like you said, you'll see the 4 pictures. And so what we want to do now, let's try sending an entire album over. And so we're going to hit a home button, come out of that again. We're going to set our watch down. We're going to go back to our phone, our Flip 5, and into the wearable app. And then we're going to go to down to where it says Gallery, Add Items or Add Images. Instead, we're going to tap on Albums to Sync. It says none, but we're going to tap on that. Then it's going to show you all the items. Then it's going to show you all the albums that you have on your phone. So I have that one that says dogs, and it says 4. And so what that means is that there are 4 dogs in that album. And so we're going to highlight that there. And then at the bottom, we hit done. It said 4 items have been transferred. Go back to the home screen on our phone. Now back to the watch. We're going to swipe up. Looking for our gallery again. Open the gallery. And now we see a whole bunch of pictures. So it added the 4 dogs, and then of course one of the dogs was the white dog, so it added it for a second time. So now we had originally 3, then we added 1, which is 4, and then we added another 4, so we have 8. And so I think if we go this way, you see the balloons, the dog that we added to it. There's another dog, a new dog, the same dog we did originally, and the 4th dog. And then if we go the other way, we'll see the other stuff, the wheat, then the cat. But if we hit the back button, let's do this. If we swipe down, it says pictures. But now if we go to the middle where it's supposed to be albums, now we have an additional album. One album says dogs, and the other is pictures. And so, of course, the pictures have everything in it. And then, like we said, you can break it down by albums. So the album we loaded was dogs, and if we tap it, it's just to have the 4 dogs that we sent. And of course, it's that dog, that one. Okay, start from here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And so, like we said, it put the 4 dogs that were in the dog album in that album, even though we sent an additional dog. And is in the slotted in the picture portion of the photo area. And so if we pull that down, like we said, that says albums. If we were to go back to where it just says pictures, you'll see it shows all the pictures that are on there and that 1 dog in there twice. So that's it for our video for today, how to add pictures to your Galaxy Watch 6. So hopefully we shared something that you can use and something that was beneficial. If so, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too, so you can be notified of new content as soon as we release it. And again, this is Melvin with Tech Running 24/7, bringing you technology that's on the move. Thanks.